Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and download a Gumroad invoice. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here at the gumroad.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started with accessing all our info by going ahead and logging in the upper right corner. And if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in and accessing your dashboard, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can go ahead and take a look at all the info for setting up our store. In the left side of the screen, we can go ahead and take a look at our home section, products, collaborators, and so on. All the sections that are going to enable us to manage our store. So let's go and take a look at how to download an invoice. As you can see here, we have an official Help Center article on I Need an Invoice. So in this article, we can go and take a look at how to generate your invoice from the receipt and how to go ahead and download it. So here we have step by step. You can print your own invoice by clicking the generate link at the bottom of your receipt. So you'll be sent to Gumroad's invoice generator where you can enter your full name and business or personal address, and the invoice will be downloaded as a PDF. So once you made the purchase, your purchases are going to go and be found right here in the sales tab at the left side of the screen, where you can manage all your sales in one place. You'll be able to take a look at your purchase that you have go ahead and made, and just like that, you're going to go and be able to make an invoice for it and download it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.